Hare Krishna. So today we go to the second verse, Ganga Stotram by Adi Shankaracharya. Bhagirathi Sukhadayini Matas Tavajala Mahima Nigame Khyata Naham Jane Tava Mahimanam Trahi Kripamayi Mamajnanam. Bhagirathi Sukhadayini. Bhagirathi, King Bhagiratha, attempted or tried or requested Mother Ganga to come down to Earth planet. His father, his grandfather, his great-grandfather was not successful in delivering the departed souls in their family. That is the 60,000 sons of Sagara Maharaja. To deliver them, Bhagiratha Maharaja also attempted, and Ganga Maya given happiness by coming to Earth planet and delivering the ancestors in his family. In this way, Bhagirathi Sukhadayini, he gave great happiness to Bhagiratha Maharaja. Tavajala Mahima Nigame Khyata. Tavajala Mahima. Tava means your grace. Jala, water. Mahima, greatness. Glories of your water. The greatness of your water is sung in the Vedas. Naham Jane Tava Mahimanam. Naham Jane. I don't know the glories of your waters. I don't know your glories, your greatness. Naham Jane Tava Mahimanam. Trahi Kripamayi. Trahi, please save me, Mother. Kripamayi, you are merciful. Trahi Kripamayi Mam Ajnanam. I am in darkness or in ignorance. Please save me. O merciful Mother, please save me. So, O Mother Bhagirathi, you give happiness to everyone. The significance of your holy waters is sung in the Vedas. I am ignorant and am not capable to comprehend your importance. O Devi, you are full of mercy. Please protect me. Bhagirathi Sukhadayini Matas Tavajala Mahima Nigame Khyata Naham Jane Tava Mahimanam Trahi Kripamayi Mamajnanam. Thank you.